like I've been looking at my phone and my computer so much recently. It's making me crazy. I want to get out and exercise and move around, but I just don't really feel comfortable going to public spaces.
If you want to exercise outside, you could always try yoga in your yard. All you need is some comfy clothes. A yoga mat is helpful, but the grass works just fine too. Yoga is a great way to stretch your muscles and relax your mind. And if you do it outside, you'll get plenty of vitamin D.
A good way to start your yoga practice is with your hands on your knees, your eyes closed, and take big, deep breaths. Here are some nature-inspired yoga poses sent to us by our friends.
Today, I'm going to teach you the flying bird breath. To start, you're going to stand up nice and tall, feet planted down, shoulders down. We're going to take a big breath in through our nose. And as we breathe out through our mouth, we're going to start to lift our arms up overhead till they clasp. And then breathe in, arms down. Breathe out, arms up. And down. And up.
Chelsea from our local yoga studio in Minturn is showing us tree pose. Once you feel like you are steady, lift your foot and place your foot on your thigh. Then raise your arms up high and stretch.
This pose is called the bird pose. So first you put your leg out and then like you cock it and then you do that. I want to show you monkey pose. So you go on your feet, you put your hands planted in the ground and do your head like this. I have wind in the tree pose, and it goes like this. They're nice and tall, feet planted together, and put your hands up. And that's my poses. He's doing spider pose. We're shooting out. And now I'm doing chicken spider pose. Can hold it that long. So now, cheetah pose.
Get outside and have some fun!
Be sure to send us your nature-inspired yoga poses and stretches.